What's going on, everybody? My name is Seth and you're watching 252 Squad. In today's video, we're going to be installing the Wings West style kit on my 6th gen Honda Accord, and looks really good. So without further ado, let's get the car up on the lift. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, this is the body kit I'm talking about right here. It is actually not a real kit. Found that out the other day. It's actually a rep kit. I bought it from a guy thinking it was a real one. Good thing I paid cheap for it. But it does say Wings West on the inside, which means I don't have any cares to thrash on this kit and slam this thing as low as it'll go and destroy this kit. So let's get started. So currently got the side skirt test fitted up, as you can see right here. Kind of tucked around. We're gonna use the factory side skirt and probably just put some self tappers in it. I'm gonna leave it like this where the doors are holding it shut. That way I can get a clean line on it. And just gonna go ahead and self tapper it in to the corners right down here, where you can see there's actually a hole on this one. So yeah, let's get to it. So got the one side all mounted up as the classic self tapper way goes. Right onto the front side here, 3 in the front, 2 in the back. And then of course the doors are shut on the others on this side. I'm just kind of gonna leave it like that where the doors are shut on it. Not gonna bother me too bad. Hits a little bit, the door does, but may in the future clearance it. But right now it kind of keeps the line kind of close, so it doesn't bother me too much. But now it's time to move on to the other side. So as you can see, got the other side skirt on, 2 screws back here. Still have yet to put the ones in the front there, but have the other side skirt on. Starting to look pretty good. I'm actually filming another video where I'm lowering the car. If you want a sneak peek, that's how much coilover clearance I got. It's actually bottomed out right there. But yeah, let's move on to the front part of bolting this side skirt on. So I absolutely lied. This is what the car looks like right now. Got the self tappers in the front on that side. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut to putting the rear lip on the car. So guys, we're back actually working on the car again. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this rear lip on. That way I can go ahead and get it ready. I'm actually going to a car meet tonight. You saw the last video with the last car meet. Going to another one, gonna get the rear lip put on. I'm actually working on clear tail lights to the car as well. But probably just gonna have the lip on for this meet. But let's get started with that. So I've got everything off the car, tires and everything off, and it's up in the air. Got some tape up here holding the lip on. As you can see in the rear, looks really cool. Full spaceship mode on this car right now, and I am really liking it. But let me get some self tappers in it and get the rear lip mounted up. So I went ahead and got it all mounted up. As you can see, just some self tappers in it, you know, really cheap and efficient. It doesn't line up the best in the world. That's partially probably because it's a rep kit, not the real thing, but also because it's been sitting for about 2 years in a garage where it's hot and it's been deformed and then in the back of this car. But this side looks pretty good over here. Not as bad, but still got a little bit of a gap. A little bit of gap in the corners there. But other than that, it doesn't look too terribly bad. Got to clean it up a little bit from where it's had the wrap and tape on it. Other than that, though, it looks pretty good with the kit on it. Let me go ahead and get the wheels back on it, show you what it looks like all put together and on the ground. So guys, as I showed earlier, this is what the car looks like with the kit all mounted up, everything with the rear and the sides. Looking really good overall. The car itself is being really good. Looking really good. I actually ended up having to cut the muffler off the back side of it just because the rear lip wouldn't fit very well with the muffler on. So as you can see, it is sitting really low and it's sitting really good. Definitely recommend this kit. I actually found out what kit this was, so I'm going to tag it down in the description down below. But yeah, so guys, that's going to be pretty much it for the video. Like I did say, the kit is not an actual Wings West kit, so that's pretty much the main reason why it doesn't fit just right. Did find it, so I'm going to link it down in the description down below if you're like me and you run a car that's low and you really don't care about destroying a $1,000 kit or want to destroy a $1,000 kit. But yeah, guys, like I said, if you like the video, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you do like the build and like the channel and want to see how it's going to go, make sure to subscribe to watch further videos. Without further ado, y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. Peace out. See you next time.